sending a perfectly valid JSON body to an API and still getting a 400 error. It's almost always a missing content type header. The content type header tells the server what format your request body is in. Without it, the server receives raw bytes with no way to know whether you sent JSON, XML, or form data. When you include the right value, the server routes your body to the correct parser and deserializes it properly. It's essentially a label that says, here's the language my data is written in. The most common value is application/JSON, which you'll use for the vast majority of REST API calls. For traditional HTML form submissions, it's application/XWWW formula encoded. And when uploading files, multipart/form data handles the binary content. Each tells the server to apply an entirely different parsing strategy. Don't confuse content type with the accept header. Content type describes the format of what you're sending. Accept describes the format you want back. Both are request headers, but they point in opposite directions. One describes your input, the other requests your output. One final note. Content type only applies when your request has a body. Use it for POST, PUT, and PEACH. For JIT requests, there's no body, so skip it. Content type is how you tell the server to pass your request body. One header, huge difference. Set it on every POST, PUT, and PAT you write. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.